Are those metal boulders?
Is that a child actor?
Amnesty International. Oh, Amnesty International.
A flight attendee was arrested at Amnesty International airports after it had come to their attention that they were unable to tend the sick and elderly on a flight, so the flight was cancelled and the elderly were brought out back and shot and the flight was resumed in broad daylight.
What?
I said in big block capitals for the heart of seeing. A flight attendee was arrested at Amnesty International airports after it had come to their attention that they were unable to tend the sick and elderly on a flight, so the flight was cancelled and the elderly were brought out back and shot and the flight was resumed in broad daylight.
Did you just call me hard of seeing?
Hard of seeing, hard of hearing, hard of doing, hard of moving.
You fucking bitch, you take that back or else.
Or else what?
Or else I'll finish you off right now.
Many people have tried and failed at that and failed horribly, they all have.
I'll give you the Myra Hindley.
Piss off.
Are you momentarily blind?
No. Never. What kind of question is that? Huh? Ha. Hug me.
Aw, does Mummy want a hug?
Yes, please tell me you love me and your hate for me is all a joke.
It's all a joke, Mommy, all one big fucking joke like your outfit.
Mugger, church your mirth.
No, Mommy, I will not.
Then I guess it's time that I bring out the D-gun and fuck with ya lil.
No, Mommy, no, please, no, not the D-gun, just no, I said no, why won't you fucking listen me, I said no, and when I say no that means no, ha.
Don't look at me, Hank, I didn't do it and no one can blame me this time for your wrongdoing.
The amount of wrong things that you do just don't equal the amount of good you do. It would take a chicken wing doused in a caramel syrup to put right all the wrongs you've done in your life.
I am gonna baste my shell with butter and make the local chefs eat it off.
A serenaded pterodactyl was caught singing the blues after he was allegedly dumped for the local cuntasaurus. The local cuntasaurus was unavailable for comment as fucking usual, but did tweet this morning. Hey babes, my pussy is being cared for by the pterodactyl, and if you think of caring, don't, because I'm a good girl. A rep for the pterodactyl was unavailable for comment, and it is speculated that the rep murdered himself after the news broke and was fed up of having to deal and defend this pesky pterodactyl.
Can you spell anal protractor?
No, I cannot. Can you?
Yes, I can. He can.
Am I amazing? Please tell me I am a man.
A man? You're a fucking woman and everyone knows it?
No, they don't. No one knows this until now, and you told them all. Prepare to die, you son of a bitch.
Are we having cunts over for dinner tonight?
Are we having salad for dinner tonight?
Are we having ungodly perverts over for dinner tonight?
Are we having perverts for dinner? I want dinner, yummy tasty dinner. I want dinner, tasty dinner. Gimme dinner, I want dinner.
Okay, hanky poo, but I gotta say this. Are we having assholes over for dinner tonight?
No, we are not having assholes over for dinner tonight. Well, apart from you, of course.
The third degree. Drink synthetic lemon juice and save a lemon today. A local lemon activist was heard yelling at the little 6-year-old kid selling fresh lemonade at her lemonade stand. Unfortunately, the little girl was well prepared for this activist and poured the entire jug of what was to be believed lemonade all over the activist, but in time it turned out to be chilled piss with a hint of ammonia and a dash of hate. The activist ran home like a bitch for fear his hair would end up dyed blonde, and no one likes a blonde activist, not even a Scandinavian.
I like Scandinavian berry conserve on my toast in the morning.
And I like Scandinavian men, but I don't like activists, and anyone who sends this child hate mail will get all their mail laced with Ryzen from me, and you can fucking count on it.
Are we having special levers over for dinner?
Are you gonna shut your mouth so we can have our dinner?
Are we having terrorizers over for dinner?
Are we having terrorists over for dinner? Over and out. And over for dinner?